In a world that often glorifies extroversion and sociability, being quiet can sometimes be perceived as a disadvantage. However, introversion or a naturally quiet demeanor doesn't have to hinder your ability to earn respect from others. In fact, there are numerous ways to command respect without changing who you are. This essay will delve into various strategies and philosophies that can help quiet individuals earn respect in personal and professional settings, emphasizing authenticity, strength, and self-assurance. Embracing your true self. One of the first steps towards earning respect as a quiet person is embracing who you are. Authenticity is magnetic. People are drawn to those who are comfortable in their own skin, and this includes quiet individuals. When you accept and value your own personality, it radiates confidence and assurance. Respect starts with self-respect, and embracing your quiet nature is foundational. The power of authenticity. Authenticity involves being true to your own values, beliefs, and personality. It's about expressing yourself in ways that are congruent with your inner self, rather than trying to conform to external expectations. For quiet people, this means not forcing themselves into loud or extroverted roles, but instead leveraging their natural tendencies. Authenticity fosters trust and credibility, key components of respect. Self-acceptance. Self-acceptance means recognizing your strengths and weaknesses and being comfortable with them. It's about acknowledging your quiet nature as a part of who you are and seeing it as a strength rather than a liability. Self-acceptance is a crucial step in building self-respect, which in turn garners respect from others. Building inner strength. Quiet strength is often more potent and enduring than overt displays of power. Building inner strength involves cultivating qualities like resilience, determination, and self-discipline. These attributes not only help you navigate challenges, but also earn you admiration and respect from those around you. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and continue moving forward. For quiet individuals, resilience can be demonstrated through persistence in the face of adversity, showing that you are not easily discouraged. This quality is deeply respected in both personal and professional settings. Determination. Determination is the unwavering commitment to achieving your goals. When you pursue your objectives with quiet determination, people notice and respect your dedication and focus. Your actions speak louder than words, and your consistent effort over time earns you respect. Self-discipline. Self-discipline is the ability to control your impulses, emotions, and behaviors to achieve long-term goals. It involves maintaining focus and staying committed to your priorities. For quiet individuals, self-discipline can be a powerful tool for earning respect, as it demonstrates reliability and a strong work ethic. Mastering nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication is a critical aspect of how you are perceived by others. For quiet individuals, mastering body language, eye contact, and facial expressions can significantly enhance your ability to command respect without saying much. Body language. Your body language communicates a great deal about your confidence and self-assurance. Standing tall, maintaining an open posture, and using deliberate gestures can convey confidence and authority. Even if you are quiet, your body language can speak volumes about your inner strength. Eye contact. Making eye contact is a powerful way to connect with others and convey confidence. It shows that you are engaged, attentive, and assertive. For quiet individuals, maintaining appropriate eye contact can help you establish respect and trust in your interactions. Facial expressions. Your facial expressions can communicate your emotions and intentions clearly. Smiling, nodding, and maintaining a composed expression can make you appear approachable and confident. Being mindful of your facial expressions ensures that your nonverbal cues align with the message you want to convey. Developing effective communication skills. While you may be naturally quiet, developing strong communication skills can help you express yourself clearly and assertively when needed. Effective communication is about quality, not quantity. Being concise and thoughtful in your speech can be a powerful way to command respect. Active listening. Active listening is a crucial communication skill that involves fully focusing on the speaker, understanding their message, and responding thoughtfully. By being an active listener, you show that you value others' perspectives, which in turn earns you respect. Quiet individuals often excel at listening, making it a natural strength to leverage. Thoughtful speaking. When you do speak, make sure your words are meaningful and impactful. Being quiet means that when you do speak, people are more likely to listen. Use this to your advantage by being thoughtful and deliberate in your speech. Speak with clarity and purpose, and avoid unnecessary filler words. Assertiveness. Being assertive means expressing your thoughts, feelings, and needs in a direct, honest, and respectful way. It's about standing up for yourself and setting boundaries without being aggressive. For quiet individuals, learning to be assertive can help you communicate your needs and desires effectively, earning you respect in the process. Cultivating expertise and knowledge. Knowledge is power, and being knowledgeable in your field or area of interest can significantly enhance your respectability. Cultivating expertise involves continuous learning, staying informed, and sharing your knowledge with others. Continuous learning commit to lifelong learning and self-improvement. Stay curious and seek out opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills. Whether it's through formal education, reading, or hands-on experience, continuous learning demonstrates your dedication and passion, earning you respect from others. Staying informed. Being well informed about current events, industry trends, and relevant topics shows that you are engaged and knowledgeable. It enables you to contribute meaningfully to discussions and positions you as a valuable resource. Staying informed helps you build credibility and respect in your professional and social circles. Sharing knowledge. Sharing your expertise with others is a powerful way to earn respect. Whether it's through mentoring, teaching, or simply offering helpful advice, sharing knowledge demonstrates your generosity and competence. It also helps you build connections and establish yourself as a respected authority in your field. Building strong relationships. Strong, respectful relationships are built on trust, empathy, and mutual respect. For quiet individuals, building strong relationships involves being a reliable and supportive friend, colleague, or partner. It's about showing up for others and being present in their lives. Trustworthiness. Being trustworthy means being reliable, honest, and consistent. When people can count on you, they naturally respect you. For quiet individuals, demonstrating trustworthiness through your actions and commitments is crucial for building strong, respectful relationships. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about being compassionate and considerate. Quiet individuals often excel at empathy, as they are often observant and attentive to others' needs. Showing empathy helps you build deep, meaningful connections and earns you respect. Mutual respect. Mutual respect is about valuing others' perspectives and treating them with dignity. It's about recognizing that respect is a two-way street. For quiet individuals, fostering mutual respect involves being considerate and respectful towards others, which in turn encourages them to reciprocate. Leveraging your quiet nature. Being quiet has its own unique strengths and advantages. Leveraging your quiet nature involves recognizing these strengths and using them to your advantage. Whether it's your ability to listen, your thoughtful approach, or your calm demeanor, these qualities can help you command respect in your own way. The power of listening is a powerful skill that quiet individuals often excel at. Being a good listener allows you to understand others better, build stronger relationships, and gain valuable insights. It also shows that you value others' opinions and perspectives, earning you respect in return. Thoughtful approach. Quiet individuals often take a thoughtful and deliberate approach to decision-making and problem-solving. This can be a significant advantage, as it allows you to consider all angles and make well-informed decisions. Your thoughtful approach demonstrates your wisdom and prudence, earning you respect from others. Calm demeanor. A calm and composed demeanor can be incredibly reassuring and inspiring to others. In stressful situations, your ability to remain calm and collected can set you apart as a reliable and steady presence. This quality is highly respected and can help you earn trust and admiration from those around you. Conclusion: earning respect as a quiet person is not about changing who you are, but about embracing your true self and leveraging your unique strengths. By building inner strength, mastering nonverbal communication, developing effective communication skills, cultivating expertise, and building strong relationships, you can command respect in a way that is authentic and natural to you. Remember, respect starts with self-respect. When you value and respect yourself, others will follow suit. Embrace your quiet nature and let your actions speak for themselves, demonstrating your worth and earning the respect you deserve.